So now we will meet Mr. Ashish Utekar, who is personally a financial consultant. He's handling many people's portfolio. I met him twice or thrice, so I remember something about him. So let us hear from Mr. Ashish what he feels about Monument and Monument's courses. So let us hear from Ashish. Yeah, Ashish, you can go ahead.
Yeah. See, overall, the course, the way it is designed, see, basically, options is a very tough thing to understand, if you ask me personally. But the
Correct,
way
sir.
this course is constructed or structured, see, basic what is called, what is put, and then you combine the strategies. Others, people get a lot of confusion, Strategies were also good. And even, see, minute things were taken care of. When you actually started the first, second lecture, now it was like basic kya hai, what is stock market, proper sequencing mein he has taken it.
Uh,
Whatever moving averages strategies and all, when you have to enter, how the wave was formed. See, now if you ask me, Elliott waves is one of the best technical analysis tool. So how to combine with your strategy so you can make the money, where a person should enter the ABCDE, the 1 2 3 4 method. ए हो गया उसके बाद ये करो, very structured way man. Even the staff was very proper, like follow up में the course is going to start now, whatever 1 hour 2 hour before they used to tell us, okay, now it's going to start. Now even for this was everything, like minute things were taken care of properly, and which is very good. Like then see, even what I'll urge people, they should go for those strategies. And secondly, they should see, visually he has made it very presentable by giving those codings and colors. And I will urge people to at least go for those softwares, because it's not me spending something, but I assure you, I guarantee you that if you follow discipline and these methods, you'll definitely make money. And this coding and all will visually impact so much to you that over a period you guys start liking. See, now even we use software, same one. But as you rightly said, अभी मैं उसको छोड़ नहीं सकता. Even I can't leave Falcon because it's not the cost, but it's the of easiness, the simplicity, the touch
Switching
attachment which I
cost,
have.
switching cost is very high.
So I can't leave that.
Correct,
And
sir.
end of the day, it will give you money. आप एक discipline follow करो, money will come. That I assure you. And the
Correct.
course is very simple. Means simple say, see, and then it's up to us how much in depth you can go. And the course which 1 year course which is designed, even a small college going kid also will understand what is stock market, where it originated, technical analysis, basic, ये candle क्या है, वो candle, all those things are very structurally laid out. ये बराबर से 1 साल करेंगे ना, I means I am confident that I'll do much more than what I'm doing right now, and even others, if they follow design, they'll do very nice, and that I assure you.
Correct. Uh, Ashish ji, can a common
सर आपका
person
वॉल्यूम बहुत कम है.
can a common person understand this if he takes जिसको क ख ग भी नहीं
Sir, I'm
मालूम.
not able to hear you. Volume is very less, sir.
I think some issue is there. Can you hear me now?
बाद में
From
बहुत बढ़िया था, but now really audio options, speaker. Okay. turn off audio. बराबर आ रहा है.
so
सर आपका आवाज बहुत कम आ रहा है, पहले बराबर आ रहा था.
I can hear you. I can hear you. Okay. I can hear you.
Yeah.
So
But I can't hear you, sir.
okay. No, not an issue. Not an issue. So
Sorry.
नहीं आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
हाँ थोड़ी आ रही है, आप बताइए. मीन्स आई कैन हियर बट वॉल्यूम इज वेरी लेस.
So how you will like to what you will like to tell to the common people जो जिसको ABCD भी नहीं मालूम है स्टॉक मार्केट का, will they be able to understand?
Yeah, they'll definitely able to understand. See, whatever you thought in the 7 days, but now first thing what they should do is they should go back to the basics. What is stock market, se leke, what is technical analysis, and those candles and all. What is a moving average, what is stochastics, what is all those parameters. What you have told, super trend to neighbor to moving average and the strategy में आपने जो बताया ना, वो first let them understand that. Once they understand what is stochastics, what is moving average, whether it works on a high, low, or closing price base. So they'll at least once they start using the strategy now, they will come to know कि हाँ ये ऐसा हो रहा है, moving average ऊपर जा रहा है, price के पीछे it's following, all those things they should, because blindly if they follow strategies now, then it will be like, when it fails, they will be in a means they won't understand how to repair it.
Correct.
Or even the spread methods and all that, one by one they should take, not चार पांच एक साथ ले ले, पहले सिर्फ naked के call naked put when to apply, then spreads कभी डालना है, bull call कब डालना है, bear call कब डालना है आपको, everything properly करके एक एक strategy implement करो. 1 year में if they do religiously, I guarantee you मेरे में भी इतने changes आएंगे ना sir after doing this course. Some things I'll be fine tuning things like.
Correct, sir. Correct. So thanks, Ashish. Thanks very much for your kind words, and let us hope
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
It
In
inspires
fact,
the
we should
people.
thank you.
It inspires the people to get educated, and at least they come in this vast area of financial market with some tools so that they can win this game. Okay. Thank you.
Sure, sir. सर मुझे अभी भी याद है आपने when we met ना, you had given that दौलत investments, if you, I don't know whether, but तभी आपने बताया.
I have 22,000 shares, sir. Chalo, sorry.
Right.
Chalo. Thanks.
Chalo, sir. Thanks a lot. Thanks.